Here's how easy it is to replace the swirl flaps on the Euro 4 2.4 D5 Volvo engine. Now, unfortunately, I wasn't able to add this footage to a compilation of removing the intake manifold, as this footage was recorded in 4K and the video I did previously was in 1080p. So you'll have to see my other videos on how to remove the intake manifold. Now, the swirl flaps just slot into position and can easily be removed even without pliers, giving you more access to clean the ports. So even if you weren't replacing them, you could clean the ports much more easily. And here are the new swirl flaps fitted